back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Also, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a cute protective hairstyle with some rubber bands and a drawstring ponytail. If you want to see how I did this hairstyle, keep watching. Okay, so first you want to start with your hair down. This is my hair after about 3 or 4 days after wash day, so I just want to do a style that will just last me till my next wash day. Okay, you're going to start with a comb. Any comb will work, but you basically just need to part your hair from one side to the other side about halfway through. Okay, my hair was being a little rough, so I had to go ahead and grab my wide tooth comb. Okay, I had to go in with the other comb and kind of fix my part just to like straighten it out a bit. But mind you, it does not have to be perfect. Okay, so now I'm just going to take that piece and go ahead and pin it up. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my spray bottle and go ahead and spray the rest of my hair just to get it nice and moisturized. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and kind of brush it all back just to get it out the way. Alright, and then I'm going to take that front piece down and go ahead and split it down the middle into 2 pieces. Okay, and then I'm going to take 1/2 and go ahead and pin that out the way. Okay, then I get about 1 inch thick of a piece and go ahead and part that. Then I go ahead and take the leftover hair and just go ahead and pin that to the back so it can be out the way. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take that piece and go ahead and split it in half. Then I go ahead and get some gel and go ahead and put that on the back piece. Then I go ahead and grab my rubber band and I'm going to just tie that piece up. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing with the front piece. Okay, and then I'm going to take that pin back piece, go ahead and let that down, and I'm basically just going to split that in half. Then pin the rest back so it's out of the way. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and split this piece in half, but it's more at like a diagonal. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take that back piece and go ahead and do the same things like the other and go ahead and just add some gel and add a rubber band. Okay, and then I went ahead and did the same exact thing to the front piece. Okay, then I go ahead and just let that piece that I had tied back down, and I'm just going to go ahead and make that one big piece. So again, just like the others, I'm going to just go ahead and put the gel and the rubber band. Okay, so now that that side's done, I'm basically just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, right now I'm just pinning the hair that was in the back, just pinning it up. Okay, so I'm just going to start by going and taking that pinned piece, go ahead and letting it down, and I'm basically going to do the same exact thing that I did on the other side, so I'm probably not going to do like a whole walkthrough since it's literally going to be the same exact thing. Okay, so now that I'm done with all those pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and take that front piece and combine it with the one diagonal to it. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth some gel over that piece and then combine it to the other piece using another rubber band. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the other front piece. Okay, and then I'm going to take the next front piece and go ahead and combine it with the one diagonal to it. Okay, and then I'm just going to take that last side piece and go ahead and combine it with that back piece. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now that that's all done, now I'm just going to go ahead and take all those pieces and just combine them to one ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and let the back of my hair loose so I can go ahead and get it ready to be combined with these front pieces so it could be all one big ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just taking my spray bottle and going ahead and spraying the rest of my hair so everything's nice and moisturized, and just taking my hard brush and smoothing everything out. Again, this does not have to be perfect, just try to get it as smooth as you can. Okay, so now I'm just taking my ponytail and going ahead and twisting it to wrap it in a bun. Okay, so now I'm just getting my drawstring ponytail. You can use whatever drawstring ponytail you want, but I'm just going to use like a curly one. But yeah, go ahead and place the combs over your bun and pull the little string in the back. and just wrap that string around, and I'm just going to go ahead and pin it with a bobby pin. Then I just take a piece from the back and go ahead and wrap that around just to kind of conceal the whole, you know, drawstring ponytail. Then I just grab a bobby pin and go ahead and pin that piece down. Okay, so the last step is just to lay my baby hairs. Okay, so this is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.